guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So I didn't want to make this video. I just hate winters. I genuinely hate winters. Thumbs up if you are into my team and believe me, बचपन से ही दिमाग में ये डाला जाता है कि मकर संक्रांति या लोहरी के बाद ऑफिशियली ठंड खत्म हो जाता है. But this year it's a different story altogether. ठंड बढ़ते ही जा रहा है. I just hate that. It's getting on my nerves now. And believe me, how much you're dedicated or motivated, no matter what, blankets will attract you. I mean, I'm sitting here shooting and मेरे सारे blankets मैं मेरे bed पे रखे and it seems like they're calling me, they're waiting for me. So in this video we are going to sit down and talk about some winter essentials, some basics which is I think really mandatory for a girl's closet, especially in winters. And I'm not going to talk about something very fancy. So in case you happen to enjoy watching this, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down and please subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. The first basic that I'm going to talk about is pants. Now, why pants? Why not jeans? Pants are comparatively looser as compared to the jeans, and ठंड में we wear body warmer as the main layer over any outfit. And jeans के साथ अगर आप पहन लेते हो तो it will somewhere feel uncomfortable and bulky at the same time. Whereas pants थोड़े से loose होते हैं तो it fits really well and goes really well without disturbing the main layer of your clothes, that is the body warmer. Now, what about the colors of pants? Choose colors which are versatile like black or white or say off-white, and it completely depends on you how the way you can style it. You can style it for casual looks, for meeting looks, for party looks. And मेरे दोनों ही pants offline stores से लिए हुए हैं. I'll try to put down links to similar looking pieces in the description box, and also I'll try to search out things which fit into our budgets. Next essential for winters are blazers. Now I feel that blazers are something which can directly up your fashion game or say styling game, and I am an all-time blazer person. Be it summers, be it winters, I have to style it. Now why blazer? Why not something like a bomber jacket? As blazer gives that proper definition, proper outline and proper figure to your body and completely hides that bulky sweater अगर आप अंदर से पहनते हो तो, whereas अगर आप bomber jacket पहनते हो तो it adds on to the bulkiness and gives that huge figure to your body. And also you can style blazers in so many ways. I have made a dedicated video on how to style a blazer and also my blazer collection, and in that video I've also focused on things that you should consider while shopping for a blazer. Don't forget to check that out, as blazers are quite expensive. So always pick up versatile colors and versatile prints. I'll mention a link to that video in the description box and also somewhere on the I button, so don't forget to check that as well. Another essential which is not so famous as winter essential is stockings or tights. And I know a lot of you won't find it feasible to spend or invest in a stocking, and that too in winters. But truly speaking, it will help you. It will truly help you in styling a lot of your summer वाले pieces in winters. And आपकी simple से outfit में बहुत fashionable touch डाल देगा. And I think you'll need stockings for winter parties and winter outings. Now one tip here. Do not buy stockings and ties from online stores, क्योंकि हम जो stockings की actual में requirement होती है ना वो dense fabric के होने चाहिए, whereas online stores में it's really troublesome to find stockings that are in good quality. Most of the time we end up getting cheap quality stockings, and that will completely ruin your outfit. So please go check some offline stores, and offline stores में you can get good quality stockings. That too in like 270, 320, around that figure only. And please try to check out some lingerie stores. There you will definitely find good quality stockings, and that too budget friendly. Now the next wardrobe essential that I personally want you guys to invest in is a pair of black boots. And I totally believe that if you are spending on something, make the best of it. Try to pick up something like a versatile piece, and a black or brown boots is really apt and is really versatile, and it will like last you for 2 to 3 years. And this is from Lulu and Sky, and this is absolutely apt for summers. You can wear it with t-shirt, jeans, something that basic, or you can play around with them and make some edgy outfits for night parties. And in winters, boots are the effective ways to protect your body, to keep your body warm, and gives that unique structure. Another piece which is super trendy for winters is turtleneck sweater. I am so damn obsessed with turtleneck sweater these days. They look really cool and protects us from winters as well. At least have a black or a white turtleneck in your closet, I have two turtleneck sweaters. One in white color, and earlier I had one in black color, but this time I invested in a camel toned turtleneck sweater that looks so good and अभी बहुत ज़्यादा trendy भी है. And also turtleneck sweaters are so versatile. You can team it up with pants, you can team it up with joggers and skirts and a lot of more ways. And I searched a lot of turtleneck sweaters online, and on Myntra I saw this brand called Tokyo Talkies, and it was super affordable, and the quality of the turtleneck from that brand was totally good. Now one pro tip here which you should strongly consider while purchasing a turtleneck sweater is the quality of the fabric. Now turtleneck sweaters are body hugging, so always check the fabric. फैब्रिक थोड़े मोटे और डेंस होने चाहिए, क्योंकि once it will stick onto your body, it will appear translucent and that won't look good. So try to find out fabric, good fabric, dense fabric, and try to read a lot of reviews before actually buying something. And lastly, how can I forget to mention trench coats as winter essential? Oh my god, I genuinely love trench coats. They protect us from really chilly, wintry waves, and also it looks extremely stylish. And these days I'm styling my mom's trench coat in so many ways. And you can wear it with pants, you can wear it with stockings, you can even wear it with saris. So it's totally versatile. And long back I used to think that trench coats is not my thing, it won't suit me, I'm a petite figure. But ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, it looks equally good on all the body types. So please try to wear it and style it. And online stores में it is for like 4,000, 5,000 or even more. So try to get your hands on trench coats from street markets like Sarojini. From there you can get 2 to 3 trench coats in 1,000 only. So try to get your hands on those first before investing a lot of money on trench coats from online stores. And yeah, these days I'm styling my mom's trench coats, wearing a lot of things inside, a belt, boots, and I'm good to go. So that was it for today's video, and I just hope you all found this helpful and enjoyed watching it. And I try to put down links to similar looking pieces in the description box. And disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm genuinely going to sit down and search similar looking pieces for you guys, so don't forget to check the description box. And please give this video a thumbs up, comment down more video ideas and suggestions, and whatsoever you want to talk to me, please mention down in the comment box. And follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe. We are very close to 10,000 subscribers. Yay! I love you guys. Bye bye.